Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we are actually going riding, and I know I've had a lot of riding content recently, but guys, I just want to say get used to it because I'm getting back into riding, and as you guys know from last video, I picked up this sick 2019 KX450, and today is going to be my first day riding it. We got Charlie here riding with us as well. He also has his 110 little pit bike, but if you guys remember from my last riding video, I actually rode this bike right here. Now that is Seth's 250R, and I kind of got used to the 250 for a while, and once I test drove the 450 again, I was like, whoa, this thing's got a lot of power. So today we're going to take it easy, and today's kind of just going to be like a test and tune. I need to play with the handlebars a little bit. They're not exactly how I want them. Play with how the bike is set up and try and set it up more for me. Actually, like I was saying earlier, I'm going to have a lot of moto content coming for you guys. We're actually doing a double header this weekend. We're going riding tomorrow as well. I know it's a lot of riding in one weekend, but I need today to kind of get the bike set up for me tomorrow to actually test it out. So stay tuned. We're gonna obviously we got to put the trailer on the truck, and then we're gonna head to the track, and I'll catch you guys on the GoPro. All right, first ride on the new bike. Oh boy, this rear shock is so soft. All right, boys, I am so excited. First ride on the new bike. Chain slapping a little bit. They completely changed it up, didn't they? I kind of like the red and green thing going on. It's like Christmas, dude. Free, we're about to deck the halls. We're about to deck some hall. I don't know if it's gonna be a Christmas kind.
Can we go on right there?
I don't know. I think we just turn around and go back that way. Guys, first impressions of this bike. Obviously love the hydraulic clutch. That is amazing. And obviously the reason why I kind of upgraded to a newer bike was for the electric start. So obviously I'm loving that. But here we go. Haven't ridden a 450 in a long time. Oh, I missed it. Already bottoming out the suspension. Love that. So right now, guys, this bike actually comes with 3 separate maps that you can plug in to the side. They're called DFI couplers. What you do is you basically just unplug this thing to the ECU. And right now, this bike does have the aggressive map on it, which, to be honest, I don't know if I'm going to use or not. I brought the couplers with me, so we're going to try them out today. Try and tell if there's a difference. Oh, I like it, dude. I like this thing. The chain is slapping. I think it is a little loose, so I might have messed up there. Ooh. Deep ruts, dude. The exhaust is really quiet. I thought it seemed loud from the outside, but it is really quiet once you're riding the bike. Man, I don't know about this track though, dude. The jumps kind of suck, low key. Man, I love being back on the 450, dude. Just second gear cruising, it'll do everything. I just had a bug in my mic. I don't know, man. I don't know if I like the track reverse like this or not. Well, that was the first jump of the track. Really tiny, but hey, first jump on the KX, we cruising, baby. This jump is kind of weird, because if you do case this jump, it's gonna hurt. Same with this jump right here. It's a long jump, and the landing is really small. It's like right here. So if you over jump it, you're done, but you're done. The chain on my YZ is actually really different than the chain on this bike, and when I was adjusting this chain last night, I accidentally sort of stripped one of the locking nuts when you're adjusting your chain. The factory aluminum on those nuts are just really weak, and I tightened it too much. It's pretty much stripped. So guys, on this bike, the foot pegs are actually really adjustable. There's 3 different ways you can move the foot pegs up and down. And so right now they do feel a little high for my personal liking, but I probably will be adjusting those. I'm liking it, man. I'm liking it. I'm gonna pull off and take a little break. The arm pump is ripping right now. But I know I already said this, but first impressions of this bike is, I love it. That's all I can say. I love this bike, man. It's so good.
Track's doo-doo.
Yeah, I don't like it.
There's literally no landing.
I know, it's like this short. Hey, KX brother.
Track sucks.
Yeah, low-key. I wonder if the Supercross is any good. We can go over to it in a minute. Dude, I love this bike. And it's on the aggressive map, too. I need to change it out. I want you to ride it on the aggressive map, though. I haven't even gotten on it yet, dude. Like, quarter throttle the whole time. Got sketchy, dude. I'm gonna go check out the Supercross track real quick. Okay, okay. I like it. I like it. We might be riding this today, guys. This is a good ride. I do like this track better, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This is a triple if you go far enough. This track's smoother, not as many people. That's fun. I like that track. That's a track where we can kind of more just have fun on. Maybe we'll do a race before the end of this video. I mean, I'm gonna lose, but we can at least try it. Little wheelie. Okay, do the Kendall Gray. Okay, one time. You're ripping. I want you to ride this thing. This track's fun, isn't it?
Yeah,
I wish the jumps were a little bit bigger, but it's whatever. Skirt.
All right, guys. taking the 450 out. First time riding it. See what she's all about. I automatically want to say it's definitely heavier than mine. She's a ripper. Oh shoot. Getting a little sketchy. I like it though, it's smooth. The throttle is so smooth. Definitely getting a little bit more arm pump, but it's a big difference between this and 250, but
Like it?
overall I like it a lot. I don't know, it's a little too heavy like for my, maybe it's just because I'm not used to it, but it's definitely heavier.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Like in the corners and stuff. I'm also a little bit more squirrely on this one. Like
The front end's washing.
yeah, like in that corner I was sliding out like crazy. I love the throttle though. It's so smooth.
It's crisp.
Yeah, and it, like you can tell exactly where it hits.
Yeah, let's do a couple laps. I want to do a race. How about you? What you think? You down for a race? The 450 might wax you, dude. That 250 ain't got nothing on this 450. Yeah, go ride. Get practice, because you're gonna need it. You're gonna need it. Man, 450s don't like to start when they're hot, dude. I don't know if it's all 450s or this bike and the Yamaha or what it is, but I cannot get these 450s to start when they're hot. Man, I miss being on the 450, dude. I love it. I will say the 450 does wear you out more than the 250 does, but part of that commitment to riding a 450. You ready to lose? No, you're not ready to lose? You think you're gonna win? Because you're not. All right, get ready to feel the beast of the Kawasaki. Boys, we gotta activate the launch control here. Haven't used it yet. We gotta outsmart our opponent any way we can. The one thing this bike doesn't have though is a hole shot device. So boys, put down in the comments who you think's gonna win, green or red. 450, 250. Big guy, little guy. This is for all the money, all the hams, all the turkeys. Yeah, we're ready. All right, guys. Ha ha, got you! Ah! This is straight rolls, boy! Straight rolls! Oh boy, here we go! I saw, he's back there, boys! Oh, he ate it! Oh, let's go! Let's go, baby! He's faster than me. So hopefully he doesn't pick it up. Oh, he's right on me! He's right on me! Ah! I'm gonna take this outside and try and rail it, dude. Okay, well, too far outside. Whoa! Oh, there he goes! Oh no! Ow! Almost lost it! Wheelie over. Come on, gotta carry my speed. Oh, he cross jumped. I'm gonna go inside here, see if I can get him. Oh, this line's faster, boys. This road's better. Little whip. This outside line's not very good. He might have me. Oh no, he's pulling. I'm last chance ever. Get the inside, cut in. He was. Oh, dang it. He got me. I'm out of breath. 2 laps and I'm done. What a good race, dude. Dang it, dude. I gotta accept my defeats. Good race. You got me. Oh! I love it, dude. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this episode, oh, he's still going. He's still going. You feel like you just want a supercross race, don't you? Before the annoying Honda interrupted me. If you guys enjoyed today's episode, let me know. Tried to spice it up a little bit by doing a little race for you guys. He's so much faster than me. It's just, without him crashing, he would have just waxed me. So, but yeah, guys, like I was saying at the beginning of the video, we're going riding tomorrow too. We're gonna have a lot more jumps. Got the bike dialed in for tomorrow. Guys, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more moto content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.